To get this app fixed, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for your Google Play Store app. Tap on it to open it. When you find it, search for the name of the app, which is Bradesco. After that, it's going to pop up. Tap on the app, and after that, tap on your update over here. If you can see update over here, don't tap on the open, but rather go back and try to search for the name of the app. When you find the app, just tap on it for some while, and this is going to pop up. What you have to do is to tap on the app info to get to the app info of the app. So when you get a app info of the app, what you have to do is to tap on notification, then make sure the show notification is to go on. Now go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction with other device. Make sure the background data is to go on. Now go back and tap on permissions to make sure every permission is allowed over here, as you can see. Now go back and tap on storage and cache, and make sure you tap on the clear cache to clear the cache of the app. Now tap on the force stop, then tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to restart your device. So you have to tap on your power button for some while, and this is going to pop up. When it pop up, so what you have to do is to tap on restart. If you can't find restart on your file, then try to turn off your phone and turn on it again, and then this problem is going to be fixed. If you can't find reboot, it's the same thing. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video has been helpful to you.